Hey everybody, it's Mike here at Find Your Cards with a final break for this evening. It's going to be 11-12 Rookie Anthology. I'm just going to cover a few little pointers here first, or not pointers, but points here first. We're going to go over the last transaction, the last team bought. It was bought by Indy69. Good luck there, Indy69, and you bought the Winnipeg Jets. There we go for that. Now we're going to get our current time. According to eBay, we'll refresh there, and we got our current time. Alright, so now of course what are we all here for? We're here for the box break, so we're going to get on with that now. I'm going to bring up the camera so I'm not all lost as I turn you guys around here. Okay, lower that down, get a little better angle so everybody can see what's going on. Alright, we got our team list here. Alright, so here's all the people in the teams that you won. Well, I wish everybody good luck. We got our box here. We got Rookie Anthology. Another one first from the opening. Actually, I opened a pack of this, and I got a Peter Holland. What was it? Peter Holland, yeah, rookie. That was what I got out of it. But still, hey, something better than nothing. That's the way I always look at it. This is serial number ME181160913. I'm more busted into the Heroes and Prospects has been my big one for recently. But want to mix it up, try some new stuff. And also, as I mentioned in some other videos, I'm interested in doing some group breaks. If anybody is interested, let me know. Also, let me know what boxes you like. And yeah, just looking into it at the moment, but definitely would like to do that. Kind of lean towards doing multi-boxes, different types of boxes, include Dominion, the Cup, etc. And we'll go from there. Alrighty, so here we go. So we got a bonus pack. And the rest of our packs, just careful bringing them out here because don't want to damage card. We got an empty box. All out. All good to go. So we got 5 packs in that pile, 5 packs in that pile, and one super thick one. I'm going to try to leave that near the end. And let's go straight to the bonus one. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I want to have my list here in case I want to do any shoutouts to who got the hit. Alright, here we go now. Here, let's keep those in screens here. Nothing of those went missing. Oh ho ho! I like the player. Let's see what type of card it is now. Somebody's going to be a happy person. Oh my gosh. Major hit right off the bat, guys. And this is why I was always curious about these boxes, these bonus packs. I watch a lot of breaks and there's big ones. All I have to say right now is Rob Myers 0911. You'll be extremely happy. Look what we got. A Taylor Hall Team Trademarks. Wow. 31 of 49. What a hit. Taylor Hall. That's the first one out of this box. Nice. That's the way we do it. What a start. Let's just carry on. Hopefully it keeps on being like that. So far my first 2 boxes of the evening were not quite as exciting, so hoping for a big one here. Alright, so let's bring these up. Of course I'll just set the base aside. And we'll carry it along with the rest. Alright. Oh my god, we're doing well! Not a huge player, but still nice cards of private signings. Cody Eakin for the Washington Capitals. That's Rick Darkside. Nothing dark about that. Man. Good start here in this box. Let's keep them coming. Alright, slide these up. And we got Anders Nilsson. Pinnacle rookie. Anders Nilsson. And that's for the Islanders. Okay. Ooh, this one feels fat. Let's hope no, it's just not just decoy. Oh, that haul makes for the box right off the bat. So anything else, no, it's just pretty much a bonus. Of course, though, there's everybody else out there who wants to get their hits. So, as I say that, I should go, no, we need lots more hits. Which really we do, anyways. I'm with you. The more the merrier. And rookie rivalry. This one I'm going to have to do room.org. It's a Columbus Nashville one. It's Ryan Johansson and Craig Smith. Actually, I'll just make sure it's not the same person who has both of them. Columbus and Nashville. Nope. So we'll take care of that at the end. I'll actually set that up as another video after. So that would be for Indy 69 is Stargazer Bonnie. I will set that up as a video. Is this one? No. But rookie rivalry. Alright, so here we go. Alright. Another rookie rivalry. We got Cody Eakin and Eric Edwardson. So we got Florida, Washington. Again, we will set that up as at the end too. So that's Rick Darkside and Dow 34. So we got decoy. It's a nice card. And we got a Pinnacle rookie of Cody Eakin. It's the Cody Eakin box. That's number 3 for Cody Eakin. You never know, right? Some boxes. My box of Pinnacle there earlier was, I think, what, 4 Boston hits? Okay, from Subban, Parise, and we got Ryan Russell for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Again, those aren't serialized. So tomorrow I got a box of Luxury Suite finishing up. During the week I'm going to have several boxes of Pinnacle finishing during the week and probably into the weekend. Not sure it's going to be every night. Might take a couple nights off. Life with the family, right? Got to do that stuff. Alright, we got another rookie Pinnacle, and it is Dylan Olsen for the Blackhawks. Dylan Olsen for the Blackhawks. Okay, 3 more packs to go. Let's get into the big one. We need another big one. What could it be? Alright. Calvin DeHaan for the Islanders. Calvin DeHaan, the Islanders. Okay. So make sure it isn't a big fat one. I'll leave it at the end, even though it could be decoy, but we're going to take our chances it's not. Okay, let's see what have we got in this one. And it's a Calder candidates, Andrew Shaw for the Chicago Blackhawks. And those are numbered to 999. That's 456 of 999. All Alright, last pack. So this is the fat one. Hopefully there's something in it. I can't tell. We'll find out soon enough. It's not looking like a decoy, so it's a fat one. Real fat one. Alright, who could it be? What could it be? And here we go. It's an auto. It's a game used. And it's for the Leafs. It's Joe Colborne. That's a hit for the Leafs. Joe Colborne. And that's congrats to Nate D21. Big Leafs fan. There you go. You got another hit for the Leafs. It's a nice one. Alright, so I'll recap the ones we got here, and then like say I'll do the random on another video. So we got the rookie rivalry. That's Cody Eakin, Eric Edwardson, and the Ryan Johansson, Craig Smith. That's Nashville, Columbus. So I'll do those on randoms. I'll be sent after. We get the very nice Joe Colborne. That's a beautiful card. That could be hard signed, but still nice looking card. Call the candidates. Andrew Shaw, Blackhawks. The Calvin DeHaan, Islanders. The Dylan Olsen, Blackhawks. The Ryan Russell for Columbus Blue Jackets. Cody Eakin, Washington, one of our 3 Cody Eakin cards. Anders Nelson for the Islanders. Another Cody Eakin. There's the other Cody Eakin, private signings. And I think the big hit of the box, the hard signed team trademarks, Taylor Hall. But what a box! The Colborne, and let's just put those together. That's a big, those are a couple big hits there together. And along with the private signing Cody Eakin, that's a nice box. Alright guys, thank you very much, and like I say, if you're interested in group breaks or want me to open up anything else, let me know. And have a good one. Have yourself a good one. It's Mike Find Your Cards.